Hello folks, this is Jeff, the Pocket Watch Guy from thepocketwatchguy.com. I have a wonderful offering I wanted to share with you today. This is an Elgin military timepiece, circa 1943. It's a 9-jewel movement, a grade 9, 594. We have the black military dial with the phosphorescent Arabic numerals and phosphorescent hands. No longer glowing, but still a wonderful timepiece. We have the military case with the crow feet arrow and the GSTP, which stands for General Service Trade Pattern. Some say it's General Service Timepiece. I believe it's the General Service Trade Pattern. Just a wonderful timepiece, a piece of both horologic history and military history. Again, World War II, circa 1943. Let me see if I can get this movement for you guys. Beautiful condition. There you go. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, drop me a line at Jeff at thepocketwatchguy.com. Thank you so much.